Are you tired of spending hours searching Google, juggling endless tabs, and still not finding the business answers that you need? But wait, if you're using expensive SEO tools like SEMrush that cost $139 per month, or Moz that cost $49 per month or $99 per month depending on the plan that you need, you're literally throwing money away for basic research tasks. What if you could automate all your research in minutes, no tech skills required, and get access to the best AI models for a fraction of the cost? In this video, you will learn exactly what Perplexity AI is, how to use Perplexity for free to save time, boost productivity, and find real market demand for your business services or products. So make sure that you stay until the end, because I'm going to show you how to turn all that data into a professional dashboard in seconds. Let's be real. Solopreneurs and creators like us don't have time to waste. Manual research takes a lot of time and is overwhelming, and it's easy to miss out on the best insights as well. With the right AI tool, you can get expert-level answers, detailed keyword research, and market insights in seconds. I have created a cheat sheet for you with resources and advanced prompt templates that you can get for free. The link is below. Today, I'll walk you through Perplexity's free plan, show you the exact advanced prompts that I use. By the end, you'll know how to automate your research, know what is currently trending in your niche, who you can help with your services or products. So let's get started. Let's head to Perplexity AI, sign up for a free account. The free plan gives you 3 searches per day for free. Here's the game changer. For just $20 a month, Perplexity's AI Pro's plan lets you tap into the power of multiple leading AI models like GPT-5, Claude Sonnet 4, and Gemini 2.5. Instead of paying separate subscriptions to each of these powerful large language models, Perplexity Pro gives you an all-in-one research powerhouse, saving you hundreds of dollars monthly while getting superior results. The good thing is Perplexity AI, it chooses for you the best underlying AI model for your specific query, ensuring that you get optimal results without needing to be an expert. But if you want precise control, you can manually select from those advanced LLM models here. You can also toggle between deep research or quick research. The deep mode digs much deeper into the web for more comprehensive answers, while quick is faster and simple questions. Then you also got internet options, so you can choose different internet options. You've got the web, academic, social, which includes forums, social media like YouTube, and finance. Just select the icons that matches your research goal here. Document upload. You can also attach 3 documents per day for free. This is perfect if you want Perplexity to analyze your PDFs, reports, or notes and answer questions based on your own files. Then you also got dictation and voice mode. So if you don't feel like typing, just click the microphone icon to use voice mode or dictation. Speak your question. Perplexity will transcribe it and answer it for you. Now let's leverage Perplexity for comprehensive keyword research. This is a vital step for any content strategy. We'll be asking 5 different types of keywords, each serving a unique purpose. Go to my cheat sheet, copy this prompt here, which is the combined deep research premium prompt. Head over to Perplexity, paste it in, swap this phrase here with your own topic that you want to research on, your niche, your business, your topic. You can type this in here and you can do research on. Add more searching options, and we're gonna go with the best model. Hit go. Perplexity will research and generate a clear, actionable summary. If you want to revisit your older chats, you can find them all here on the left side. Boom, just like that, you have done research on the main keywords of content market strategy. These are broad terms defining your topic. You can see estimated monthly volume, difficulty level, and intent. Long tail keywords. Those are specific phrases for niche targeting, like how to create content strategy for solopreneurs, for example. Natural language and voice search keywords. Those are conversational queries, like what's the best content strategy for beginners, for example. You also have frequently asked question keywords, common questions. How often should I post blog on my website or social media? You also have semantic and related keywords. Those are SEO for solopreneurs, for example, or social media marketing tactics. Those are specific keywords, as you can see here. Now, once you have this comprehensive keyword list, you can get this data perfectly structured for your analysis. Simply copy the entire response. Go over to Google Sheets, open a new spreadsheet, spreadsheet, paste that in. Here you go, you've got your spreadsheet where you can analyze this data further, and you have it all structured. This spreadsheet isn't just a list, it's a goldmine with valuable data. The keyword phrases are columns that give you endless content ideas for blog posts, videos, social media series, and more. You've got a strategic advantage. You can use the search volume to identify topics with the highest demand, ensuring you invest time where it matters most and reach a larger audience. The difficulty score helps you to find the low-hanging fruit, keywords that are easier to rank for, getting you quicker wins, faster traffic, and building early momentum. The search intent is crucial because it's someone looking for information. Example, what is content marketing? Are they ready to buy? Best content marketing tools for solopreneurs or for business owners? Are they looking for a specific brand? This guides you to create content that directly answers their needs and moves them closer to become your customer. By using different keyword types, main, long tail, frequently asked questions, semantic type of keywords, you build a comprehensive topic cluster and you demonstrate expertise to Google and your audience. You're covering everything from broad interests to very specific questions and related concepts, establishing your site as an authority in your niche. It's really all about working smarter, getting more clicks, and driving more sales without the heavy price tag of traditional SEO tools. Now remember, the real power comes from combining AI speed with your human judgment. Always review and personalize and adapt the results for your unique business, whether you're using the free interface or the Pros plan. So in just a few minutes, you've learned how to automate your research, save hours every week, and get better, more actionable insights for your business. Imagine what you could do with all that extra time and clarity. But wait, for a valuable bonus tip, we've got all this incredible keyword data in a spreadsheet, but let's take it a step further. What if you could turn this data into a professional dashboard in seconds without any code? I'm going to show you how with GLM 4.5. A powerful new AI from Z.ai just came out. It's completely free to use. It's so advanced, already beating other models like ChatGPT in code generation and Gemini and Claude. So head over to Z.ai and sign up for a free account. Simply go back to my cheat sheet, go all the way down. Here you've got prompt to structure the data into a visual dashboard. Copy this, go back to Z.ai. Make sure that you click AI slides. So you're using specific tools. Paste that in, head over to Perplexity, go all the way down, copy the results, paste that in here, hit go. Now see the magic. It will instantly generate the code for a professional dashboard. You'll see in just a second. And boom, just like that, you've got your amazing dashboard. You've got total keywords analyzed, average monthly searches, most common difficulty, medium, dominant search intent is informal. So we know they're not ready to buy for this keyword because it's content market strategy. Distribution of keyword types, distribution of search volume category, distribution of difficulty levels, distribution of search intent. It shows you all this data very beautifully structured, gives you key insights, dedicated frequently asked questions section in your blogs, for example. You see, just like that, you've turned simple lists of keywords into a professional, easy to read display. You can copy this, you can create a new folder. I've done this already, so as you can see here, dashboard 3, delete the end after the dot, add HTML, enter. Yes. Right click with the mouse, open editing notepad. It's gonna open a window like this. Then you paste in the code, save it, close this. Now you can double click it and it's gonna open this amazing looking dashboard in your web browser. You can turn this into a PDF if you want. It's very easy, just need to convert it. If you want the exact advanced prompt that I use today, grab my free AI cheat sheet vault. It's packed with prompts, templates, and frameworks to help you get results faster. Click the link in the description for instant access. Get premium AI research capabilities without the headaches of multiple subscriptions as well. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a practical AI tutorial. Let me know in the comments which AI tool do you want me to cover next. Stay inspired and create faster with AI. See you in the next video.